like how it went into spam box, and all. Now if you who is this few clients will ask us how to configure with Gmail. Will Gmail work or not? Gmail SMTP configuration. Just click on this and you'll get a lot of information over here. Actually I don't know how to do that, but let me try. I never tried that. So this is what so let me pick up the credentials which I have taken already. So I'll give my password. I'll give the password, and I'm not sure if this is 587 or 465, but let me check. So check the connection. Yeah, it is successful. This is from Gmail, right? Gmail SMTP configuration that I have done now. This is not our own server. This is Gmail, this particular Gmail account. And see here also Kumar Trading Academy at gmail.com, and this is what the password and all. The connection is successful. So let me save the changes and close it. Let me open it again and let me test it again. Successful. Close. And this also you close it, because I prefer to open it again and again from the main home page. Now what I'll do is so college admissions for 2000 college, like college students requested join by June. Okay, some message I have given. Let me pick up another image. Which one I'll take? Let me take this only. Send mails. Again I am importing the mails. Now it sends mail using Gmail. Sending. It is asking for the display name. It is not asking for the from mail ID. Why? The reason is we have already given in the SMTP settings. It picks up that as a sender. It picks up SMTP settings as a sender details, and then it asks you for the display name. Okay, display name is now Gmail. Okay, display name is SMTP. Gmail we should not give because it is a reserved word. I'll say SMTP G. Okay, fine. I said okay. See, first time it gets failed. Failed means it is failed directly, and then it is sending through SMTP. That's what it means. Now we are in the same account. You can see here. We'll get that mail from Gmail itself. The failed directly. Sent SMTP. See here, you got it. College students are requested to join by June. Got it, right? So this is what the subject we have given here. See, you got it. You can see the time here, 1-2. You can see the timing here, 1-2 a.m. and you can get into this, and you can see the from ID. From ID is from Gmail. From Gmail to Gmail. To from same. So you can use Gmail also to send mails. There are a lot of comments that I'll get in the ads and all, that it won't work with Gmail, it won't work with SMTP, all this. Those people who are commenting, they're not using the software, and they're just commenting simply like that. Might be they might have used other softwares, but our software will work with Gmail. Our software will work with another SMTP services as well. Okay, now let us get into the rest of the options. Now we'll go to home page. New campaign, as I said, the moment you click this, everything will vanish and you'll get the new project. You can save this project. Suppose you click this and you designed everything properly, then you can save the project here. You can save with the name. saying that like I'll say dk-infi demo. I said this right, dk-infi demo, closed it, it's saved in this particular location. Then I said open, then I can see demo. What demo I have given, dk-infi demo, this one. Let me clear it, let me open it again. See, you got it, you got the subject back, you got the content back. Now there is a provision to attach the mails as well, attach the content as well here. Any of the attachments like documents, images and all, whatever you want, you can attach it here. And there are a lot of other stuff which you can play around and you can get the information. Now open you understood, new one you understood, save the project and open the same project again here and send the mails. It opens a new tab, this one, you know that. Now common settings. What is common settings? Common settings are like every server will have its own receiving mechanism like Gmails and all. When you are receiving the mail from different people, it has a kind of mechanism that it should not you should not send around 500 mails per hour or 600 mails per hour, 2000 mails per hour, and there is a delay even after sending each mail. There should be a delay. If you are sending it very fastly, then server detects that like you are sending a spam. So a lot of other parameters are there which it manages. If you know few of the parameters, you can always configure this. If you don't know anything about this, then just say automatic. Everything will be taken care by the software. This is common settings. Help anyway, it's if required to know what are these options and all, you can click this help and you can use it. This is all about once you purchase, you get this kind of licensed version, otherwise unregistered free version you'll get over here. And this is about homepage. Now comes to send mail. Import, you have seen it, right? And remove blacklist. Remove blacklist is something which, in case if you need to remove something, suppose I selected few of the mails and I want to remove something, I need to choose that list, suppose this list, then it compares this list with this list and removes all that. Find and remove. Suppose I want to remove something in this info@freeleads.com. Let me type info@freeleads.com, right? Okay, leads.com. You can see here it is in third, 1, 2, 3, third position. It's gone. So you can find and remove one of the mail ID which you don't want to send any. And test mail. If you want to send any test mail, you can give that mail and you can test it to see whether it's going or not. Let me check that. It's info@dk-infi, right? Let me remove all these mails. Now info@dk-infi.com. I'm sending a test mail. Test mail sent. Now the test mail is sent. Always test mail uses SMTP. It uses this configuration to send the mail. So it sent a mail using Kumar Trading Academy. See here, you got a test mail. Kumar Trading Academy @gmail.com. You got a test mail, right? So it always uses a SMTP configurations to send a test mail. But while sending a mail, it uses a direct mailing first, then it uses the SMTP. If you want, one second, sorry, again I'm sending her fine. If you want only SMTP, then you can say only SMTP. If you want only direct, you can use only direct. But direct, Yahoo, Gmail and most of the servers rejects direct mailing. So this is best. It tries directly, then it sends. On error, it uses an SMTP to go. Fine. Now let me close this. Okay, after sending the mail, you can always export the results. Let me show you what is this called, mail results. I exported it and let me minimize. You can see here What is this? Where did I save it? Okay, mail results. Notepad. See here. This mail successful, this mail successful, this mail sent successfully using SMTP. So you'll get the result and you will get the mail ID for your future reference. Now, what else left? Okay, this is what the count, import, how many imported, how many rejected, and how many valid mails are there, how many invalid mails, and what is the percentage and all that. Let me show you an import. Export also we covered, right? We covered export, SMTP, everything we covered. Okay, I'll take this student list. It's a bigger one, maybe around 1000 records are there. See here, it's getting imported, 1000 records imported. If something is wrong in this, automatically those mails are rejected, and then we'll get into this. So these are the mails that it got imported. See, these are pseudo mails which I created for testing purposes. If you have a real data, you can always import it and you can check that. So this is all about these options, and this is about these options, and all these options you can play around and you can do. See, when there is an automatic update, if something is updated in software or a new feature got added, or any of the features which is not working properly or get fixed, or a kind of update or patch, whatever changes that are happening, even user doesn't know whether it is updated. So it updates in the background, and your software is automatically updated when you launch it, and you'll have a always new version. When you are on live, when you are sending mails and all, it won't update, but when you are launching it, it updates and it launches. So it goes to the server first, and it checks for the update, then it takes in the latest version, then it launches your software. Now the other question, SMTP. Do I need to have an SMTP? As I said, there is an option to use direct mailing. There is a second option to use Gmail and other services, other email service provider. There is a third option, SMTP. If you have SMTP server or a web server, it's well. If you don't have, then you can use either of these options. You can use either Gmail or you can use a direct mailing. But direct mailing only works for 50%, and if direct mailing fails, you should have a fallback of SMTP. So you should have either Gmail SMTP or your own SMTP. Either one you can use. And there are servers which are having its own limitations to send the mails and all. You have to check that with the service providers before sending the mails. Now the other question is sending mail using Gmail is legal or not? Yes, it is legal, until unless you will be sending it to your customers rather than spamming. If you are using it for spamming, you are into trouble. If you are using genuinely, then it's not a spam. And your body and content should not contain any of the spam words and keywords. Software is for sending bulk mails, where you can automate the mailing and all. Like you can import around 20,000, 30,000 mails, and you can shoot the mails. That individually a person can't do it by using an Outlook or some other softwares and all. But our software is designed in such a way that it works very smoothly, and this is what the beauty of software. It manages automatically how your server is responding and all that. And also there is a feature called direct mailing, so your load on SMTP server will get reduced. So if you are sending 100 mails, then 50 mails uses direct mailing and 50 mails uses SMTP. Means like you are reducing the load of SMTP. So all these features, and it's very lightweight application. It doesn't consume much of your memory and all that, because it works on a multi-threading technology, and it's very fast. It shoots mails very fastly, and it also manages the response from the server while it is giving a shake hand with the server and all that. If you have any questions, you can always reach me on WhatsApp, or you can shoot me questions in Instagram or any other social media platform. Give me some time to respond, because I'll get a lot of questions in regards to uses of software. When you buy this software, let me open website.